Hello everybody, MDH Centurion on here, and today I decided to bring you all the Blizzard of the Month that decided to make its return for the third, maybe not a final time. Let's hope not. None other the Cotton Candy Blizzard. Let me just mix it up here. Look at that. Look at that. Cotton candy goodness. Little sprinkles of cotton candy mixed up into the cotton candy based ice cream. Pretty good stuff. Now this blizzard was decided by the fans of a poll back earlier in January. Look at this love. With the old time fashion fair food comes ice cream. Rocking the cotton candy game with the ice cream game. Oh. Not that bad of our first special. That's strange. Now, as I was saying, the Cotton Candy Blizzard was voted by us Dairy Queen fans. It's been around twice, back in 2004, when they first made appearance, and then May returned in 2008. I read 3 times out of the whole month, enjoyed the living hell out of it. Now, there's other flavors, Blizzard flavors, Blizzard combinations that people came up with that was on the Faniversary. Faniversary, it's kind of hard to say that. It's not even a real word, so yeah. As it says, the salted caramel truffle, the brownie cookie dough, the peanut butter cookie dough smash, and the brownie batter, plus the cotton candy itself. It was fun. So let's hope this stays on the Faniversary, please. Let's stay on the Faniversary Blizzard menu, please. I'll appreciate that. I'll buy it every single freaking month if I had to. If I had to do it for Dairy Queen, please. Just do that for me, please. Now, as all people do, I'm gonna grab a little bite. And you see the cotton candy trying to go from that ice cream? Oh, time to drop out. You want to drop out, huh? You trying to drop out? I don't think so. The cotton candy game mixed in with that ice cream game. So sweet. The cotton candy sprinkles as well. They did a pretty good damn job. To be honest, maybe I'm gonna grab one more bite. I have to. Now, as what I'm gonna do, that this cotton candy blizzard, for the 3rd time out of my whole time, this is my 4th time having this blizzard within almost about 8 years. About almost 8 years. Can't believe that. Can you believe that crap? 8 years ago? Oh my god. So yeah, as the Blizzard itself, if John Candy Blizzard ain't sorry as he can get, get the 5 out of 5 from a true Con Candy fan like me. To have this the 4th time in over almost the past 8 years, it's really refreshing. It depends on if it doesn't melt. So it might kind of melt a bit. Because the thickness is about to melt off. So yeah, as I would do this, you know, from a former local cook chef that did in my local news meeting before he died. I think just make it feel like something. Ooh. Alright, NBA 29 signing off. Later.